See, the combined opposition felt that we should disassociate ourselves from this function. कित्याक सगळे मेंबरांक कॉन्फिडन्सान गेल्ले and it is a democratic process. The opposition plays an important role and we cannot be taken for granted today. Our leader Rahul Gandhi was also treated the same way and he was disqualified after the High Court judgment was announced. No justice was given to him. Within a day he was not allowed to present himself, but he was disqualified. So he hukumshai chalta te maga dista we condemn this and hence we boycotted. The entire opposition decided to boycott the same function.
So Rahul Gandhi ekatra केलं म्हणून तुम्ही हांगा boycott केलं.
No, see, Rahul Gandhi is one part. We had to be taken into confidence. We are MLAs here. Vidhan Sabha, now there is a monsoon session coming up. There are several queries that were raised by us. I hope the speaker, who is the custodian of the house, listens to the opposition. Last time, आमी जे BAC उलयल्ले की बाबा हे session जे जाता, that has to be minimum of 4 weeks or more. Also, replies are not given to us within 48 hours. So, all these things I feel that somewhere to stifle the voice or silence the voice of the opposition एक प्रयत्न चालला, so we condemn that.
पण तुमकां अशें दिसता की ह्यो सगळ्यो क्वेरीज आयज लोकसभा अध्यक्षाक मेळून तुमकां सांगपाक बऱ्यो आसल्यो म्हणून तुमकां आन्सरच असेंब्लीन बरी मेळना हे मेळना ते
बाबा ते आमी सी लोक
तेच्या अंडरूच येता न्ही सगळे स्पीकर बी
ना स्पीकर तेज अंडर ते जाले सी इट इज एन ओपन formula, everyone knows it. It is not new. What we are asking is, we have a BAC Business Advisory Committee ji asta. It is our right to raise these queries there. So definitely in the coming BAC we will raise it again. That is the forum. That is the right forum.
Leader of opposition salte varpane. We felt that the whole opposition felt that we should boycott because magusta je puryan amgelia honorable लोकसभा स्पीकरांनी जे इतले घायेन तरी आमगे लिडराक त्यांना डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केलो. आता डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन आमगेली पेंडींग आहाय स्पीकरा कडेन. म्हाका दिसता आमगेले स्पीकरान थोडे ज्ञान घेचें की तेणें केस करून विदीन 24 hours डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केले ते आमगे स्पीकरान इवन द हायकोर्ट हेज गिवन अ 3 month टायम फ्रेम टू टेक डिसिजन आमगे स्पीकरान घेयल ना. सो आज म्हाका स्पीकर आमगे लोकसभा स्पीकर येयलो तो एक बरी गोष्ट. इंडिया आनी आमगे स्पीकराक तकले थोडे मातशें एक ज्ञान घेवन ही डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन हाय ती ताबडतोब तडी लायची अशें म्हणून हांव मागता.
ओके.